75 mind-blowing fun facts you never knew. Hey there, trivia buffs and curious minds. Welcome back to our channel. Today we've got something truly special for you. 75 mind-blowing fun facts that you probably never knew. Whether you're a trivia enthusiast, a social media maven, or just someone with a thirst for knowledge, this video is packed with amazing facts that will leave you astonished and eager to share with your friends. So let's dive in. 1. Bananas are berries, but strawberries are not. Botanically speaking, bananas are classified as berries, while strawberries are not because their seeds are on the outside. 2. A day on Venus is longer than a year on Venus. It takes Venus 243 Earth days to rotate once, but it orbits the Sun in just 225 Earth days. 3. The Eiffel Tower can be 15 centimeters taller in the summer. Heat causes the metal in the structure to expand. 4. Honey never spoils. Archaeologists have discovered pots of honey in ancient Egyptian tombs that are over 3,000 years old and still perfectly edible. 5. The world's largest desert is not the Sahara. Antarctica is technically the world's largest desert because it receives very little precipitation. 6. You can't hum while holding your nose. Try it. 7. Octopuses have 3 hearts. 2 pump blood to the gills, while 1 pumps it to the rest of the body. 8. Wombat poop is cube-shaped. This unusual shape helps the poop stay in place and mark the wombat's territory. 9. Hot water freezes faster than cold water. This is known as the Mpemba effect, but scientists are still trying to understand why it happens. 10. A jiffy is an actual unit of time. It refers to 1/100th of a second. 11. Scotland's national animal is the unicorn. It's been a symbol of purity and strength since the 12th century. 12. The shortest war in history lasted just 38 minutes. It was between Britain and Zanzibar on August 27, 1896. 13. Sloths can hold their breath longer than dolphins can. Sloths can hold their breath for up to 40 minutes, while dolphins can manage about 10. 14. Your heart can continue beating even when separated from your body. This is because it has its own electrical system. 15. The Twitter bird has a name, Larry. It's named after basketball legend Larry Bird. 16. A bolt of lightning contains enough energy to toast 100,000 slices of bread. Imagine the size of the toaster. 17. Penguins propose to their mates with a pebble. Male penguins find the smoothest pebble they can and present it to their chosen mate. 18. An ostrich's eye is bigger than its brain. The large eyes help it to spot predators from a distance. 19. The oldest known living tree is over 4,800 years old. It's a bristlecone pine named Methuselah, located in California. 20. A sneeze travels out of your mouth at over 100 miles per hour. That's why it's important to cover your mouth when you sneeze. 21. The Great Wall of China is not one continuous wall. It's a series of disconnected walls that span thousands of miles. 22. The shortest commercial flight in the world lasts just 57 seconds. It goes from Westray to Papa Westray in Scotland. 23. Koalas have fingerprints that are nearly indistinguishable from human fingerprints. This can even confuse forensic experts. 24. The inventor of the Rubik's Cube couldn't solve his own puzzle for over a month. Erno Rubik created it in 1974. 25. A single strand of spaghetti can hold the weight of a baby elephant. That's because of the strength and elasticity of pasta. 26. Venus flytraps can count. They can detect and remember the number of times their prey touches their sensitive hairs. 27. The inventor of the Pringles can is buried in one. Fred Bauer requested that his ashes be placed in a Pringles can. 28. A group of flamingos is called a flamboyance. 29. The moon has moonquakes. Similar to earthquakes, they are caused by the gravitational pull of the earth. 30. The word oxymoron is itself an oxymoron. It comes from the Greek words oxy, sharp, and moron, dull. 31. A group of porcupines is called a prickle. 32. A bolt of lightning is hotter than the surface of the sun. It can reach temperatures of up to 30,000 Kelvin. 33. The shortest verse in the Bible is Jesus wept. It consists of just 2 words and is found in John 11:35. 34. Snakes can help predict earthquakes. They can sense vibrations from up to 75 miles away. 35. The smell of fresh-cut grass is actually a distress signal. Plants release a chemical when they're being cut. 36. A group of crows is called a murder. 37. A group of jellyfish is called a smack. 38. A cloud can weigh over 1 million pounds. They appear light and fluffy, but they're made up of water droplets and ice. 39. A group of bunnies is called a fluffle. 40. The longest hiccuping episode lasted 68 years. Charles Osborne started hiccuping in 1922 and stopped in 1990. 41. A cat's nose is unique, just like a human's fingerprint. 42. There's a species of jellyfish that is biologically immortal. The Turritopsis dohrnii can revert to its juvenile form and start its life cycle anew. 43. The shortest English word that contains the 5 vowels in order is sequoia. 44. The first oranges weren't orange. They were green, as are many of the original species of oranges. 45. A group of lemurs is called a conspiracy. 46. You can hear a blue whale's heartbeat from over 2 miles away. 47. The oldest known living land animal is a tortoise named Jonathan. He was born in 1832 and lives on the island of St. Helena. 48. The inventor of the modern-day flush toilet was Sir John Harington. He invented it in 1596 for Queen Elizabeth I. 49. The shortest scientific paper ever published was just 2 words long. It was titled The Unsuccessful Self-Treatment of a Case of Writer's Block and contained no other content. 50. A group of ferrets is called a business. 51. A group of frogs is called an army. 52. Dolphins have been trained to help clear sea mines. The U.S. Navy uses them in its marine mammal program. 53. A dime has 118 ridges around the edge. This is also known as money reading and helps prevent counterfeiting. 54. The human nose can remember 50,000 different scents. 55. There are more stars in the universe than there are grains of sand on all the beaches on Earth. 56. A group of rhinos is called a crash. 57. A group of hippos is called a bloat. 58. A group of owls is called a parliament. 59. A group of giraffes is called a tower. 60. A group of apes is called a shrewdness. 61. A group of lions is called a pride. 62. A group of whales is called a pod. 63. A group of peacocks is called an ostentation. 64. A group of foxes is called a skulk. 65. A group of kangaroos is called a mob. 66. Horses and cows can sleep while standing up. 67. A group of butterflies is called a kaleidoscope. 68. A baby panda is smaller than a cup of tea when it's born. 69. Dolphins sleep with one eye open. 70. A group of larks is called an exaltation. 71. A group of swans is called a bevy. 72. A group of walruses is called a herd. 73. A group of zebras is called a dazzle. 74. A group of raccoons is called a gaze. 75. A group of vultures is called a kettle when they're flying. Isn't learning fun? We hope you enjoyed these fascinating tidbits, but we're not done yet. We want to hear from you. Drop a comment below with your favorite fact or share a fun fact of your own. And if you love this video, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to our channel for more engaging content, and share this video to surprise your friends with these mind-blowing facts. Thanks for watching and stay curious.